This is the Iron Trader, and it is Hump Day, which means it is Crude Day. Now, yesterday, the API report on crude oil came out, and you had a draw of 1.7 million on the crude, but you had builds across the board. Gasoline, you had a build of 2.4 million. Distillates, you had a build of 4.5 million. And then in Cushing, you had a build of 1.5 million. So the EIA report will be out here at 10:30. So let's just see if it all confirms exactly what the API said. All right, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude daily chart. Now, what we had here, a little quick review here, is off of this candle here, we had a really nice double bottom. The bottom of this candle, the bottom of that candle, had a nice run on up here. This was up into the OPEC meeting. Then it pulled back here, but if you notice yesterday, it put a bottoming tail in, and today we have a higher high, which is always good. But if you look at yesterday's low, okay, what you had there is 70.13. Now, if you come over to this candle left, I always say look to the left of the charts to where, it has been. That's where it's going to be going, okay? Look what we have here, 70. So you had a nice double bottom here with these two candles. Now we have a nice green candle here so far today. So on the downside, what you want to do is watch this key 21 SMA. This one's sitting at 71.72. Then we want to watch this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 70.98. And then obviously if that's lost, then we look to yesterday's low sitting at 70.13. Now on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look to this candle right here. So you're looking at 73.05. Then we want to look at this candle here, 73.55. And then we want to do is look at this 50 SMA sitting at 74.81 and your 100 SMA here at 75.53. Those would be your upside targets. Now, when this rallies up here, the first target I'd be looking for strong here, maybe to sell a little bit here, would be the 74.81 at the 50 SMA here. Okay, so that would be a really nice trade because if you look where all these candles have been, looks like it wants to run right in there and just pull right on back. Okay, so watch that upside key 50 SMA here, and then on the downside, watch the key 21 and watch the key 8 SMA. Let's take a look here on the old weekly and the monthly. All right, here's your weekly chart. Now, on the upside here, you want to look here at this key 8 SMA, 73.14. You want to look at the 21-day, 75.40. If you can close above all that, then your target, 81.98. That is your 50 SMA. On the downside, watch this key 67.30. This is your 200 SMA. That is going to be very, very key support. Obviously, if it's lost, then we go to the left on the chart here, 65.38. You're looking at here 64.36, and then you're basically your retest 63.64. But the key here is to watch the key 8 SMA here and your 21 SMA. Now, here on your monthly chart, well, nothing's really have changed here. You want to watch the 50 SMA here, 66.12, and then your key 200 SMA here, sitting at 72.75. If you can get above, then you watch your 76.15, which is your 8 SMA. That would be the upside target. All right, let's take a look here at natty gas. All right, here's all natural gas, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, basically still just sideways action here. See, just it fell down, just sideways action here. Now you have all these key simple moving averages pretty much all tightening right on up here. So what you want to do is you want to watch this key 2.24. That is there, your 50 SMA here. You want to watch a 2.69. And then you on the upside, you want to watch 2.32. If you can get above that, then we look here to your 100 SMA here at 2.43. And then your 2.685. That would be your price channel. Okay, so on the downside, watch the 2.13. But you notice that the price channel is starting to move up here. So maybe you might get a little bite here, but what you need to do is has to really close up above this 2.685. Then your target would be up here, would be 4.49. Now here on your weekly chart here, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. See, you can see how it keeps on the price on and down. So watch the 2.31 and then this key 21 SMA sitting at 2.40. Okay, you can see how this price has been right below. And when you look at all these candles, yeah, you're going into it, but you're just not closing above that key 21 day. It has to close above. Then you got a good shot here at the 200-day, which is at 3.75. Just be patient here with the natty gas. Any kind of disruption, which can come at any time, that would really send natural gas here really roaring. In the meantime, I'm just scalping the long, scalping the short, just daily trades for cash flow. And that's about pretty much what you can do. There's a lot better trades out there right now, even like oil. The chart is way more manageable, to trade and to make a little bit bigger money there in the crude oil. All right, I'll have more for you this later today, probably around the 2 o'clock area on crude oil and natural gas. And don't forget the EIA report here is at 10:30 today. Thanks for watching.